Join us as we dive into the top KDP secrets that every author needs to know and see if we can uncover the tips that will change our publishing game forever. So you're an aspiring author looking to publish your work, and you've heard of Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. But what exactly is it, and how can it help you achieve your publishing dreams? Well, let us tell you. KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows you to publish your book directly to the world's largest bookstore, and it's revolutionized the way authors get their work out there. When it comes to starting out with KDP, many authors face some common misconceptions and challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is visibility. How do we get our book seen by potential readers when there are millions of other titles out there? Another misconception is that publishing on KDP is a one-and-done deal. Just upload your book and voila, instant success. But unfortunately, that's just not the case. We need to be willing to put in the work to market and promote our book if we want it to be successful. Some authors also struggle with the formatting and technical aspects of publishing on KDP, which can be frustrating if we're not tech-savvy. And finally, there's the fear of competition. With so many books out there, how do we stand out from the crowd? These are all valid concerns. But the good news is that with the right strategies and mindset, we can overcome these challenges and achieve success on KDP. Another common issue is the lack of patience. Many authors expect overnight success, but the reality is that building an audience and getting traction on KDP takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a platform that requires dedication and perseverance. One of the biggest misconceptions about KDP is that it's only for romance or fiction authors. But the truth is, KDP is open to all genres and types of books, from nonfiction to poetry to children's books. So regardless of what we write, KDP can be a valuable tool in our publishing journey. When it comes to succeeding on KDP, there are several key strategies and secrets that successful authors use. One of the most important is keyword optimization. This is the process of choosing the right keywords for our book to help it get discovered by readers who are searching for topics like ours. It's crucial to do our research and choose keywords that are relevant and popular, as this can make a huge difference in our book's visibility. Another secret is creating a professional-looking cover design. Our cover is the first thing potential readers will see, so it needs to grab their attention and make them want to buy our book. And finally, pricing is a critical factor. We need to find the sweet spot that balances our earnings with our book's competitiveness. Successful KDP authors also know the importance of having a solid author platform. This includes having a website, social media presence, and email list to connect with readers and promote our work. They also understand the power of reviews. Getting high-quality reviews from real readers can boost our book's credibility and increase its visibility. And finally, they're not afraid to experiment and try new things, whether it's a new genre, a new marketing strategy, or a new type of content. Successful authors are always looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve. But there's one secret that stands out above the rest: the importance of writing a compelling book description. Our book description is what will make or break the sale. It's what will convince readers to click that buy button or not. So it needs to be engaging, informative, and persuasive all at once. A good book description will make readers want to dive into our story and stay up until the wee hours of the morning to finish it. It's what will set our book apart from the competition and make it stand out in a crowded market. So, what are the most important takeaways from all the KDP secrets we've discussed today? First and foremost, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of how KDP works and what it takes to be successful on the platform. We need to be willing to put in the time and effort to market and promote our book, and to continually improve and adapt our strategies as we go. And finally, we need to have patience and perseverance. Success on KDP doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and strategies, it's definitely possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.